Do you want to find your uninstalled app or games history in the Google Play Store? Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to find the uninstalled app or games history on your Android device. Now, if you find out the last apps that you or someone deleted from your phone, watch this video carefully and follow these tricks. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, tap Profile, tap Manage Apps and Device. Now, tap Manage. First, the list of apps is displaying you on your phone. These apps still exist on your phone, and you haven't uninstalled them yet. This is also going to show you Update Available or Games. Now, if you tap on the Installed option from here, this will show you Not Installed Apps section. Just tap on it. Now this will show you all the deleted apps or games that have been uninstalled from your Android phone. Now to check the recently deleted app or game, just tap Name, tap Recently Added. Now there you are. This will show you all the apps or games you recently removed from your Android device. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.